Hi, I'm Katya Darcy, and I'm the new business teacher here at the high school. We offer many classes that cover a variety of topics. Some of the things that we cover in business classes are posted behind me. Currently, we offer 4 different classes: personal money management, accounting, marketing, and customer service. Our customer service class offers students the opportunity to work in the Nest, our school cafe. Unfortunately, due to the pandemic, the Nest is currently closed, but we hope to have it open once things go back to normal. If you and your student are interested in finding out more information about the business classes offered here at the high school, you may contact me or your student's guidance counselor.